Whether you're a full-time remote employee or a freelance professional, staying organized, productive, and efficient is the name of the game. While many remote employees are provided with essential tools by their employers, freelancers and independent contractors often have to build their own digital toolbox. In this video, we're breaking down some of the best AI tools that can help you stay on track, work smarter, and get more done in less time. 1. Transcription and meeting summarization tools. Humata, Otter.ai, and TurboScribe. In a world of non-stop Zoom calls and client check-ins, transcription and meeting documentation are a must. These tools turn your recorded meetings into clear, concise summaries and searchable transcripts. Otter.ai acts like your personal meeting assistant. It provides real-time transcription, automated summaries, action items, and even lets you chat with Otter to get quick insights from your past meetings. Smart scheduling and focus tools. Reclaim.ai. If you're juggling multiple clients or projects, Reclaim.ai is a lifesaver. It automates your calendar by blocking time for meetings, tasks, habits, and breaks, helping you stay focused and balanced without burning out. 3. Team communication tools. Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. Now you might be thinking, I'm a solopreneur, do I really need team chat apps? Absolutely. These platforms make it easy to collaborate with clients and contractors. Plus, tools like Slack let you message yourself, a handy trick for jotting down quick thoughts and reminders that might otherwise get lost on sticky notes. 4. AI chat assistants. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Copilot. These are the OGs of AI productivity. They help you brainstorm ideas, write emails, research faster, and even debug code. Use them to supercharge your workflow and cut down on repetitive tasks. The possibilities are endless. 5. Cloud storage and file summarization. Dropbox and Google Drive. Cloud storage is essential for remote work. Google Drive is part of the Google Suite and offers 15 GB of free storage shared across services. It's a one-stop shop for docs, sheets, presentations, and more. Dropbox, on the other hand, now includes file summaries, giving you quick overviews of documents, videos, and presentations, perfect for catching up on missed content fast. However, its basic free plan offers only 2 GB of storage, though you can increase it through referrals or by upgrading. 6. AI-powered data analysis tools. Tableau and Power BI. These tools take raw data and turn it into visual insights. Tableau uses AI to automate data storytelling and spot trends. Power BI helps you generate powerful reports and dashboards powered by smart algorithms that make sense of your numbers. 7. Mental wellness and stress management. Abby.gg, Earkick, and iStress app. Even the most productive worker needs a break. These AI-driven wellness tools can help reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Ebb supports better sleep and focus. Abby.gg is like having a 24/7 AI therapist. Earkick helps with emotional wellness, motivation, and more. iStress tracks your stress levels and provides practical tips for managing them. Closing thoughts. This list is just a starting point. New AI tools are being released every day. The key is not to get overwhelmed. Start by identifying what you actually need help with. Then find the AI tool that solves that specific problem. Keep experimenting, stay flexible, and most importantly, keep leveling up your remote work game.